Okay, so we're taking a walk in the park. This is Jeffrey's show, episode 32, and we found this kitten. Sorry for the wind, if it's a little windy, because it's windy right now, so the wind's blowing on the microphone. But we found this little kitten. We're gonna try to save it. Hopefully we'll get another kitty now. Yep, we love kittens. We already have 4 animals. He's not that young. He's smiling at you. He was carrying something.
You have a cry? Hi. Are you hissing or are you meowing?
Yes. I think they're meowing. Face looks kind of gross. Or is that just a marking? Here, I'm going to change the camera direction. Hold on one sec.
Ah! Ew! Ew!
What?
Little mouse.
A mouse? Okay, have fun. He's doing fine. He doesn't even need to go
Look how fat he
live
is.
with somebody, yeah. Doing just fine
Protein.
on these mice. Getting tons of mice. Alright, I'm going to flip the camera around one more time. Hold on. Alright, we're back. It's Jeffrey Show with the family out here.
Whose birthday is it?
Wow, you can look at the sky in my sunglasses. See, there's this big pole right here. See? And you can see the clouds, really pretty. My sister said happy birthday.
Not that you know whose birthday it is.
Because it's Allie's birthday.
23. That was
Right.
Jeffrey's joke. I won't.
That's the Taylor Swift song. Here's Josie. She's sleeping. I don't know if you can see her. Yeah, she's still getting used to this
She doesn't want to go
front
back in the
pack thing. Still getting used to it. I think this radiation from these towers is really helping her sleep. So now we're gonna start just walking back to the car, and yep, that's it. We're gonna be walking.
Show.
We can talk about stuff.
Episode 35.
No, it's 32. Episode 32. Yeah, you don't want to get people all confused with what number it is. All right, we're walking.
See ya.
See, I don't know any.
On the flip side.
Well, she has that song, see ya, where she talks about a dumpster, right?
Who?
See ya,
Oh.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe I misheard the lyric. Something.
Yeah, that's what
I think
it is.
it's really windy. You probably can't even hear us.
Else.
All right, so it's a little less windy now, but now there's cars driving by. So it's still kind of gonna cut out our
We're walking to Grandma's
audio.
house.
Yep, walking to
She's probably not there, but
great grandma's house for this one. Grandma's house for me, and grandma-in-law for you. We're gonna sneak.
she's probably not there.
She might not be there.
But it was right here, so why not?
Yep. Why not?
Because she's probably not there.
Yeah.
There's a trash bag on there.
All right. So we'll catch in with you later.
Let you know if she's there.
All right. So grandma, great grandma-in-law was not home. So now we're going to parents, in-laws, grandparents, all the same person. Yes, the birthday girl's parents. And then, yep, so it's birthday day. We're driving around, walking around. All right, we made it home. Here's Josie. She's sleeping right here. She's sleeping. Here's Allie, the mommy. She's doing laundry. Here's Pebbles, the cat, right there. No. Maybe.
Wait, I need an answer.
Okay, wait. YouTube subscribers, do we want this?
One.
It's really hard to point backwards.
I'm putting it in the yes.
Do we want the onesie? Okay, and so now we're taking a walk down the hallway. Gonna flip on the light. And here's the kitty, other kitty. Hey, say hi. Say hi. Cleo. Cleo. Say hi. She's normally very talkative, actually. Alright, so I think that's a wrap. I think that's a wrap for the video, the episode Jeffrey Show today. So make sure if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe. And yep, that's it. I'll catch you guys next week. Next episode, episode 103 next week. So there we go. She meowed. Oh, Josie's awake too. All right. Say goodbye, you guys. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Good. All right, and there's this QR code that'll bring you to my website. Make sure you pause the video, scan that. It'll bring you to the Jeffrey Show website. All right.
For little girls.
Thank heaven for little girls. That's right. That's our slogan. Thank heaven for little girls. That's our slogan. So we'll see you next week. We'll see you next episode, okay? Episode 107. Next episode. All right. Bye-bye, you guys. Have a good one.